friends! Welcome back to another video of opening Woolworths and Big W mystery bricks. Oh, I wonder what's going to be in this one. Let's have a look. Rip. I wonder if we're going to get any double ups. Empty them all out. Oh no, from first looks it looks like this is not going to be a double up. This is a garden table. Wow, how interesting. All right, so it looks like, I'll just check, no sticker. So we've just got the instructions. So it looks like we are going to have these two brown bricks there. And then we're going to have, looks like a little arch bridge type deal here. We put that there like that, and that there like that. Yep, does that look right so far? Yep. And then we put that there and that there. And then we've got ourselves a little garden table. Oh, how sweet is that? Let's have a closer look. Yes, that's lovely. Oh, isn't that pretty? All right, that's awesome. Hey, you know what? I think we should open another packet. Let's do it. Oh, I wonder what's in this one. Oh, this one feels very thin. Let's see. Oh. Empty the pieces out. Oh, this does not look like we've had it before. This one is oats. Oh, and oh, look, we've got stickers. Hooray! Okay, let's put this oats together. Now, let's see. It looks like, we put that on top of that. Oops, no, maybe not. Oh yeah, we put that on top of that. And then it looks like it wants a sticker on it. So let's have a look. What sticker does it want? Big square. Oh, okay. Yes, it wants this sticker here. Oh, it looks like, oh, it's a muesli bar. Yum. Who loves muesli bars? I do. Oh, with chopped chips. Yummo. We put the sticker on. And if it's not perfect or straight, that's okay, because it still looks good. Now, what's the next instruction? It wants us to put that there. Does it? Or that like that. Oh, like that. Okay. Like that. And that is going to be, oh, there we go. Now we got to put stickers on these too. How do we put the stickers? Oh, we've got to put the stickers on the thing first before we put it on. Goodness gracious. Okay. I should have read the instructions properly. So, one sticker. Oh, I see. Okay. So, one sticker goes here. Oh, actually, these look like hot cross buns. I'll bring you guys in a bit closer. That looks like hot cross buns, yeah? Look. Are they hot cross buns? But the thing says oats. That says oats. Oh, okay. That's fine. We'll get the other sticker. Oop. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm going to make a mum call on this and say these are hot cross buns. I'm pretty sure. Put the sticker on. And if it's not perfect, that's okay. We're getting a really good collection up here. Now, we haven't had any double ups yet, so that's amazing, isn't it? All right, do they go on like that? Did Mum put them on right or no? No, Mum didn't put them on right. They have to turn. There we go, like that. And then like that. Is that right? Looks like it. Okay, yes. Now that looks like the picture, except if we do it like this. Yay! That's awesome. Okay, now let's put that with our other things. Do you guys want to open another one? Let's do it. This is a first because we usually open only maximum 2 per video, but today let's open 3. Why not? I can feel there's a few little bits in here. I wonder if this is a double up. Let's check. Oh, it is! It's oats again! We literally just did this. Oh my goodness, let's put this together again. So that's amazing. Our first double up is the oats, or, you know, choc chip muesli bars. Really great for lunch. Or like a snack. You can put them in your lunchbox. You can just have them for a snackaroo. And the choc chips are just amazing. Hey, tell me in the comments if you guys like muesli bars with choc chips or fruit pieces. See, I don't mind an apricot muesli bar with little apricot pieces. But actually, to be honest, choc chips are my favourite. And that's okay. You're allowed to like choc chips because you're eating muesli and that's the good bit. You're allowed to have a little bit of chocolate every now and then. Only if Mum and Dad says so, though. All right, so these are our hot cross buns again. And what about hot cross buns? Do you like hot cross buns like the traditional one with the sultanas or the raisins? Or do you like the choc chip ones? You tell me in the comments. Tell me what you think. And there we go. We're done again. Oh, all done. Oh, that's so nice. Yay! Now I've got another packet here, but I'm not going to open it yet. I'm going to open it in the next video. So what I need you to do is press like on this video, press subscribe, and don't forget to tap the notification bell because that will let you know when I've uploaded a new video. I'll see you in the next one.